Hello, I am capital letter T.
Hi, letter T. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter T.
Hi, small letter T. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am the talkative letter T. That's who I am, T, T, T. Let's say T. We are the talkative T's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. T, T, T. Let's clap our hands to letter T.
T, T, T. Let's clap our hands to letter T.
Who are you?
I am Toulouse, the talkative. Toucan. My home is in the jungle.
What is this?
It's a tiger. I start words like tiger.
Tiger. Let's say together, tiger. What are these?
A truck and a train.
What is this?
It's a telescope.
What is that?
It's tea. A tea packet in the cup.
Tea. Sip it slowly. 1, 2, 3. What are these?
These are teeth. One tooth. Many teeth. Tooth. Teeth. T is for tooth. We brush every night.
What are these?
A tank and a turtle.
T is for tank. Rolling along. Ready to fight. T is for turtle. Slow and gloom.
T is for tea. Sip it slowly. 1, 2, 3. T is for telescope. To spy the stars. T is for tree. To climb so high. T is for tooth. We brush every night. T is for tiger. That prowls. With might. T is for tank. Rolling along. Ready to fight. T is for toucan. With a big rainbow beak. T is for truck. That goes. Vroom. Vroom. T is for turtle. Slow and gloom.
One, two, three. What do you see? A turtle tank. Looking at me. 4, 5, 6. He is in the tank. The funniest turtle in all turtle land. He is a green soldier. Brave and swell. The finest commander-in-chief in all turtle land. What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter T today. Tiger, T, and turtle. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late. For letter E, it will be great.